SickKids is a very research-intensive pediatric hospital that focuses on the treatment and admission of all sick children.
So we are here today to recruit HR students for the Hospital for SickKids for the winter 2023 term. So we have the opportunity to discuss with HR current students and just discuss more about the HR opportunities that we're hiring for. So there are plenty of things that we are looking for. We're looking for transferable skills such as communication, organization, multitasking, prioritization, and another thing that we are looking for is someone who's keen to learn. We do know it's an entry-level job, so we're not looking more about if they have HR experience, more so if they have transferable skills that can be used at the job.
I really am grateful to be able to partner with Niagara College Toronto to reach out to your students. And also, I really appreciate how easy it is to communicate with the school and be able to provide the internship opportunities to Niagara College Toronto students.
With the students, it's very nice to see that the students are interested in this position. We have had multiple students apply to the position, so I think it's great working with Niagara College Toronto students and the staff as well.
Niagara College Toronto really helped me in building up a network with them, building up a connection with them. They answered all our questions regarding opportunities, regarding what are they looking for, regarding how the organization works and what are their values and the culture that they follow.
So I think overall they are doing a great job, and it's very important for students as well to be connected to them so that they can also understand what co-op opportunities are coming through. And I do understand as a student that we concentrate a lot on our part-time jobs, but being in contact with career services is also very important for us.
So we strongly encourage students to apply for the SickKids HR student opportunities regardless of their position. We don't look at if you have past HR experience. We're looking for someone who's keen on learning and has great skills that can be transferred over to the role.